Grand Hotel was a high-rise resort hotel located in New York. It closed in 2009. The Neville dated back to the days of the Borscht Belt, opening in 1901. Neville is 11 spelled backwards, according to lore, after the 19th century school teachers who discovered a waterfall within its present-day property, and according to family lore, the founder Charles Slutsky had 11 children from 1880 to 1906 and the name might have came from that instead. The hotel closed in 2009. A June 2020 report indicated that the buildings remain, falling apart and with no future of reuse. There are plans to tear down the remaining structures on the property and turn it into a sports complex. The property included a once highly regarded 18-hole golf course and a 9-hole golf course which are closed and have fallen into disrepair. The Neville Country Club was established in 1901 by Charles Slutsky, who named the first accommodation the Neville Falls Farmhouse. Following the Catskill Hotel fashion of Mission Revival architecture, new wings were built in that style in the 1920s and 1930s. The Slutsky family also operated the adjoining Falls View Hotel, which was merged with the Neville for a time. In the 1950s and 1960s, the Neville was greatly expanded in the modern style that had by then come to prevail in the Catskills. Architect Sidney Schleman designed the Vacationer Wing and the Waikiki Indoor Pool in 1954. These were followed by architect Herbert D. Phillips' Golden Gate and Empire Wings from 1956, linked to adjoining buildings by tunnels. Phillips also designed new lobbies in a style that followed the influential hotel designs of his former employer Morris Lapidus, who had worked at other Catskill resorts. By 1964, Phillips was a partner at the New York firm Viola, Bernard, and Phillips, who designed the 10-story dodecahedral Neville Tower. The nearly circular building was intended to counter the excessive corridor lengths that plagued more traditional Catskill hotels.